let me go ahead and recommend some proxies. So I've just done a little Google search for shared IPs, and there's plenty of vendors out here. You don't have to go with the ones I recommend, but they can be costly. So the first one that I highly recommend and that I've used myself, going over here, blackhatworld.com, is Storm Proxies. It's unlimited access to 700,000 private rotating proxies. So you just get one, you get a proxy and it rotates from this pool of proxies that it has. So Storm Proxies has a pool of IPs that's shared by everybody, and it constantly gives you a new IP. So instead of paying for private proxies, you get access to 700,000 proxies for an affordable price. So for GSA, this is my main choice, Storm Proxies. Let's go ahead and visit their website here. So it gives you a couple IPs that then connect to a pool of 700,000 IPs. So it allows you to constantly stay anonymous, never get burned, and it just makes the link building so much faster and better. So that is Storm Proxies. Another one that I recommend is Shifter, which can also be found on Black Hat World, and you might be able to get a discount there as well. I do use these guys as well because they do have rotating proxies, and rotating proxies. I want access to a huge pool of IPs because I'm doing so much link building. It's very easy to set up. Once you get in, it'll give you the proxies. Copy that, and you go over to GSA. You right-click your projects, or you go over to Options, Configure, Add Proxy, and Import from Clipboard, and it's that easy. Then I also use Squid proxies in the past, private proxies as well. These ones last a really long time. They are private. They don't have that huge rotating pool like the other ones do, but they can be used for certain automation. So these are private proxies. No one else is using these IPs. If you're worried, you're the only one that's going to be using these. I do use these on GSA, and they work quite well. In fact, I think these ones are Squid proxies here. So those are the two proxy choices. Go ahead and sign up to the one that you see fit. I would rank them as 1, 2, and 3. And that is it. Set up your proxies, and that will protect your home IP when you are doing thousands of links using GSA Link Builder. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn more, you can find the full course on udemy.com. The link in the description.